Welcome to Empire News, Cruise Empire, the informative hub for all cruise enthusiasts and seafarers. Now let's check out the top stories. New cruise ships ready to hit the water in 2016. You've heard the hype, now you'll get to see the cruise ships that are hitting the water in 2016. We have Holland America's Koningsdam and Viking Sea of river cruise giant Viking Ocean Cruises in April, Carnival Vista, the largest in Carnival Cruise Line's fleet, in May, Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas in June, Regent Seven Seas Explorer in July. In December, the Seabourn Encore will be the largest in Seabourn's fleet. That's all we have for you. See you next time.